welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be making Akkara Vadisal Tirukanamudu, or basically Akkara Vadisal Payasam, for the festival. So now I have here 1 glass of water. I'm not going to use entire glass, so as per requirement I will be using this. And here I have 3/4 cup of raw rice, 3 tablespoons of moong dal, 1 tablespoon of Bengal gram, natural camphor, and then here 1 cup of jaggery, and then 1 tablespoon of chopped coconut, 1 tablespoon of cashews, 1 tablespoon of raisins, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 cup of ghee, and then half liter milk. So let's get started. We are going to start by frying our rice in ghee. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. And we are going to fry our rice in it. 3/4 cup of raw rice. We are going to fry until you get like a roasted smell. Just like for 1 to 2 minutes we are going to fry this. So this rice and both the dals are washed and kept. So I have already washed the rice before adding it. So yeah. So we are getting a kind of a roasted smell now, so we know like it's done. So I'm going to turn off the heat and we are going to keep this aside. So now we are going to start by pressure cooking the rice. So I'm going to keep the rice inside and we are going to add the moong dal, and the Bengal gram. So now when I combine all this, I'm going to get 1 cup in this. So I'm going to add 3 cups of milk for this. So I'll first add the milk. And we are going to add 1 cup of water, just to make sure that it gets cooked completely. So it should be like in a very mashy consistency once it's cooked. And we are going to cook this for around 4 to 5 whistles. For 4 to 5 whistles we are going to pressure cook this. While our rice is pressure cooking, we are going to roast the coconut and dry fruits. So I'm going to add another tablespoon of ghee, one tablespoon of chopped coconut. Fry it until it turns golden brown. Now I'm going to add cashews, 1 tablespoon. Roast it until it turns like light brown. Raisins, 1 tablespoon. Now it's done. I'm going to turn off the heat. While our rice is cooking, we have dry roasted the cashews, and now we are going to make jaggery syrup and filter it. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of jaggery to the same pan. And I'm going to add enough water until it gets soaked. So like it should like get merged. Around 1/4 cup of water I have added. So we are going to mix this until there are no lumps. So now I'm going to add the used ghee from the cashews, like around 1 tablespoon.
Shining.
Now it has boiled, so I'm going to turn off the heat and we are going to filter it now. Now I'm filtering it. So we added the ghee so that it gets a shiny texture. So now we have filtered it, so we are going to keep this aside. It's been 5 whistles now, so we are going to see if it is cooked. So it's cooked well. Now we are going to take this out and mash it. Now we are going to mash this. It should be like this, not mashed entirely, but little bit mashed. So now we are going to add the mashed rice into the pan. We are going to add the jaggery syrup, filtered jaggery syrup into this until it gets incorporated well. So it should become like it should get mixed well and become one. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now we are going to add a pinch of natural camphor, like just a pinch. If you add too much, it is going to get bitter. So just a pinch. And we are going to add the roasted dry fruits and coconut. It has to be semi-solid, so we are going to add a little bit of milk. Let it boil for around 2 minutes. So it's done now. It should be like this. So we are going to turn off the heat and transfer this. Our Akkara Vadisal payasam is now ready. So this is made during festivals and on special occasions like Pongal, Diwali, or during Kudaravalli. So do try this recipe out. Let us know if there's any other recipe you want us to try. Thank you for watching. Do share and subscribe to watch more of our yummy videos.